Hello students, welcome to Python programming tutorial. We will learn Python in a very simple way so that you will learn the concepts of Python and you will be able to write Python programs. Okay, so in this tutorial, today we will be covering introduction to Python programming, then features of Python language, then important uses of Python and installing Python, then how do we work in Python. Okay. So let's come to the introduction part. Python is a general purpose, object oriented, easy to learn, and high level programming language. What is object oriented and high level? We'll discuss it later. Okay. Guido van Rossum designed Python and released it in 1991. Python as a programming language supports simple English like statements, making it simple for programmers to learn and use. Why it is being used very widely, you will come to know later. Okay. Then let's come to features of Python language. Python is a high level language. The code written in Python is closer to human language and away from machine language. It means the codes are written in very simple language so that it is easier to code and we don't have to write the complex syntax. It is very simple. Okay. It is easy to learn and use. Python has simple English like statements that are easy to use and learn. As I have told earlier, you will find the syntaxes are more similar to the English like statements. Okay. And it is free and open source. Python can be downloaded at free of cost from its official website python.org/downloads. It means we do not have to pay any cost to downloading Python software. It is totally free. Python is a cross-platform language. Python supports multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. It means if you develop any program or code, suppose you developed any program in Windows operating system, you can run your code in Mac or Linux also with a little change or no change. Python is an interpreted language. Python uses an interpreter where the source code is converted and executed line by line at a time. What does it mean? Suppose we have a program and we have 10 lines of code. Suppose at code number 5, sorry, line number 5, you have found an error. So in other language, what happens? If you compile, it will give compile time error and your programs will not run. But in case of Python, if your above 4 lines are correct, it will execute those 4 lines. And because the fifth line has some error, it will not execute that. It is object-oriented language. Python supports the concept of classes and objects that makes its code efficient and reusable. What are classes and objects? We'll see later. Python supports GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, which makes it more user-friendly and easier for the programmers to design code. One of the main advantages of Python is its large standard library. Python has some built-in modules and packages for doing some standard and common tasks. These important libraries make it popular, especially when we design AI-based programs. Okay, let's come to its uses. Python is used for web and internet application development. Okay, so if you want to develop any website, it can be done with Python. It is used for scientific and numeric calculations. Python is also used for kernel development, and the general purpose software is also developed through Python. Okay, so let's come to the installing part. How can we install Python? For that, we have to visit this website www.python.org/downloads. Okay, so this is the website, and we can download for Mac, Linux, and Mac. By default, it is Windows, so I have already downloaded Python. Let's install it. While installing, tick these two checkboxes. Okay, install now. It will take very less time and it will be installed. Okay, it is almost installed. Let's wait. Okay, when it is successfully installed, you will get this message: setup was successful. Okay, after Python is installed, when you click on Python from start menu, you will get an IDE. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one. IDE Python. Yeah, this is our IDE. What IDE stands for? It stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Okay. IDE code is code editor which helps you to write and execute Python programs in the editor itself. It means this is the editor. We can write the code of Python. So let me, okay. Then if you want to perform some simple calculations also, and if you want to print some statement, working in Python, we have two modes. One is interactive mode, the Python ideally cell mode. So I have already shown you. This is you are directly writing our codes and you are executing here. Okay. When we need one line instruction, we can use this cell mode. If you want to print something, or suppose if you want to perform the calculations, we can use our program in the code itself, in the cell itself. Okay. Another mode is script mode. It means we have to create a Python file and write our codes, then we will execute. Let's see how do we do it. Let's first save it. Okay, my Python program. Let's do it. So let's save the code. Simply we have already created the file, so save. Okay, our first program is saved. Okay, so if you want to run that program, go to file, open. This is my program, my Python program. Okay, I open. We have already saved. So let's see how do we run it. Go to the run option, run module. Okay, whatever we have written our code inside this my Python program, these are printed. Hello, welcome to Python program. Python is a very simple and easy to understand language. There are two ways to run the program. One, we can go to the run menu and run it, and another one is okay, you can simply press F5 or function F5, it will run. So this is the first program we have developed in our tutorial today. Next chapter, we will be discussing character set, statements, tokens, data types, and variables. Okay, so that's it for now. Please install Python in your system and try to develop some programs, basically some print statements. Okay, okay. We'll see in the next chapter.